can see there. But since they're here, let's go on a chemistry adventure.
So today on the show we have a Miss Selena.
Hello!
And a Robert Milliken.
Robert Milliken.
Greetings.
Hello!
Hello, Mr. Milliken.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Selena.
So how are y'all today?
Oh, I'm great.
Fantastic.
Okay, so Miss Selena, where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
And where did you study anything?
You know, I just did a lot of singing in my time.
And where did you study?
The University of Chicago.
And Mr. Milliken, how did you become so famous in chemistry?
The oil drop apparatus.
And what does that do?
It determines the mass of electrons.
I don't know what else to do. Mr. Milliken, when did the oil drop apparatus go down?
1909. Wait.
So, Mr. Milliken, are you married?
No.
Is this my song? How do we do that? This? Bum, bum, ooh. Today on the show, we have our very own Kanye West.
Kanye, chuck up the soul, Kanye, set on his nose, Kanye. I hate the new Kanye, the better mood, Kanye, the old.
And back from the dead, we have our very own Marie Curie! Hello, God. Why is your shirt all ripped?
Because. Easy.
Easy. Okay, so, we're just gonna start off today with a few simple questions. Like, how are you today, Kanye?
Fantastic.
That's good. I heard you just dropped a mixtape.
I did.
I think he said that about 7 times. What's it called?
The Life of Pablo.
The Life of Pablo. Find it on Spotify.
iTunes.
And iTunes.
No, not on iTunes, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
It's on
really?
iTunes now. Anyways, Marie Curie, you're the
Dead too
famous
long.
one here.
Oh, hello, yes.
Sorry.
You're
You're broke now. Okay. So why were you famous back in your day?
Well, you see, I discovered radioactivity.
I'm sorry, Kanye don't know what that is. Can you explain it?
You know, I discovered the 2 elements, radium and polonium.
Radium and polonium.
The elements on a chart.
A chart. Anyways, so when did you make this discovery?
A good 1898. It's been quite a while.
Yeah, it seems like it. You look a little dead, girl. Look crusty.
Dusty. Is that what the chart?
Welcome back to Chemistry Carpool. On today's show, we'll have Mr. Ernest Rutherford. Oh, hang on. Phone. Hello? Oh dear, that's terrible. Okay, thank you. Bye. Due to a complication in the lab, Mr. Rutherford is unable to make it. May he rest in peace. But instead, we have Mrs. Rutherford, Ernest Rutherford's wife.
Why, hello, darling.
Hello, Mrs. Rutherford.
How are you today?
You look very glamorous today.
Oh, yes, you know, Rutherford, rich. We're just very rich these days, so.
You're very rich since your husband had passed.
Oh, very rich. Anyways, let's not talk about that.
Oh, okay. Okay, so, Mrs. Rutherford, what is your husband so famous for?
Oh, Ernest, he's such a delightful man, wasn't he, Piggy? Yes, he was. He did a lot of gold foil experiments, and it determined that the atom was mostly empty space with just a nucleus. So yeah,
And when did he discover this?
Oh, I'd say back when he was a young lad. So 1911 probably.
And we're back from commercial break. So, Miss Rutherford, you mentioned something about a nucleus. What is that?
Nucleus is it's a tiny dense region in the atom, and yeah, it contains about 99.99999% of the atom's mass. So, but it's usually positive, and it's made up of a bunch of protons.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Rutherford, for coming, and I'm
Oh,
so
yes,
sorry
darling.
for your loss of your husband.
Oh,
But
it'll be fine.
I'm sure you'll be getting on a case since you're rich.
Oh yes, Ernest, he was a nice man. But did I ever tell you about the story?
And
about
good night,
No, I
everyone.
was-
Get out of the tree.
Another.
Don't slam the door.
Okay, I'm looking.
Oh,
Get the
you should
shut.
probably get in the car.
Take off.
Okay, so how are y'all today?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm alright.
Okay, so Mr. Milliken, where did you study at?
The University of Chicago.
And how did you become so famous in chemistry?
By the oil drop apparatus, it determines the mass and energy of electrons. Is that right?
Yeah,
It
but
is?
you didn't. I was supposed to ask you.
No, you're supposed to ask me a question, then ask her a question.
No, I'm supposed to ask you how'd you get famous? You say oil drop apparatus, and then I say, what does that do?
Or you just ask.
Give me the paper.
No, just be like, where'd you come from? So after you ask me,
Do you even know what you're doing?
Erika,
And Miss Selena, where did you come from?
who is you?
You won't deport me, wasn't it Corpus Christi?
I think. Hey! Where's Selena from? Where's Selena from?
Corpus Christi?
Texas. Texas.
And have you won any awards lately?
A Grammy. Beady beady bum.
Okay, so Mr. Milliken, when did you discover this?
1949,
1909?
1909.
Thank you.
Okay, let's get back to work.